Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to find out the low competition keywords for any sort of competitor website, or you can also find out for your own website also. So we will be doing a small SEO audit for my own website using this Alexa SEO tool, which is a premium tool. So you all know this website alexa.com. So this is a useful uh, SEO tool. So if you want to purchase it, it is $149 per month, but it is very costly here. You can also try out 14 days free here. So I'm just trying out this tool for 14 days using the credit card information. So if you just go to the free tool, just go to alexa.com and site info, it will just show the very basic sort of information. Let's suppose you can just enter any sort of domain name here, or you can just input you can see coding ninjas. I enter this domain name, so it will show you very basic information in the free plan. Nothing this significant information is shown to us, but in the premium plan you can see I have just purchased it. You can see this is a premium plan, this is a free trial here. So there is a different tools out there. So in this video I will be specifically showing you this site keywords tool here, which will definitely is a very useful tool in SEO. It will tell you exact keywords for the website which is ranking for. So here you need to input a website. Let's suppose I enter my own blogging website, which is codingsiksha.com. So my specific niche is programming. So I will be finding out those websites which are specifically related to programming. So now you can see it will tell me the top keywords for my website which is ranking here. It will give me this nice little popularity structure, and also it will give me this clusters. So these are the top keywords: coding Siksha, which is name of the website; InstaMojo payment gateway; FFmpeg to compress video; InstaMotion integration; npm sitemap generator. So you can also do this for your own website also. And now you can see these are the top keywords here. So this is a very useful information that you can just note down inside a notepad file. And you can in the future you can just write more articles about these keywords so that your ranking will increase. So you can see, you can go to the second page, and this has you can see it will tell you this 444 organic keywords are there. So you can see download image from URL Node.js. So in this way, you can also download all these keywords at once here. Just click the download button and it will download it as a file here. You will see exe file, so you can just view these keywords in offline time. And they also have a filter option as well. So you can also filter them from low traffic to high traffic. So you can see, and there are also use cases as well. So if you just click find high share of find low competition keywords, so simply you need to click this button, and now it will filter out automatically. It will tell you the keywords in which these are low competition keywords simply. So these are the low competition keywords. You should definitely note down these keywords, and you can definitely rank for them. So total of 76 keywords are there. So this will vary from site to site. You can also enter competitor website which are very popular in your domain. So in the next example I will be showing you. You can see now let me enter a different website. So as my domain is coding, so you can see this is a very famous website, codespeedy.com. So this is also a coding blog, and now I need to enter this. So if I enter this, click on search here, so now it will tell me the exact keywords for which this website is taking traffic. So you can see Python stopwatch, code speedy, RGB at 2x. So I can note down these keywords: domain authority checker, PHP script, code speedy, internship. So these are very useful information. This is a great SEO audit and keyword research. You can just note down these keywords in a notepad file, and then in the future you can write small articles about it, and your website will definitely rank for these keywords as well. So you can see, now you can see these are all the keywords here. So I think this is a great tool I think this is better than Href. Href In Href you need to manually filter out the keywords, but in this Alexa Rank Premium SEO tool, it is there are various filters out there. So you can see you can also filter out by traffic as well. So how much traffic that they are bringing in. So if you want to see only the keywords which are bringing traffic between 73 to 100, you can filter out this. You can also filter out the traffic as well and popularity as well. So if you apply these filters, you can definitely filter out some of the keywords. So you can see nothing is found here, so I can just delete this. So you can see, so now these are the keywords which lie between 73 to 100. So the competition is very high for these keywords here. So you can see, so these are high competition keywords. So in this way you can just edit this also. uh, if you want low competition, you can just decrease the competition here. So 0 to, let's suppose, 24. So if you now apply this, it will only show those keywords which have a competition lying between 0 to 24. So now these are the low competition keywords. So you can see, you can definitely write an article and your website will definitely rank for these keywords. You can also individually click the keyword here, and now it will open this inside a new tab here. So it will have some more information about this keyword. So you can see, so through this tool you will be able to generate very useful information, very useful keywords for which you can just write your articles in the future. So I will definitely recommend that you buy this SEO tool, or you can just take the free trial for 14 days. If you are happy about it, then you can purchase it. So you can see, now let me also enter a specific website, which is geeksforgeeks.com. So this is a very big website when it comes to programming. Geeksforgeeks.org. ORG. So this is a very famous website which is 12 years old here. So now if I open this website, so you will see this is a very famous website. Lots of articles are published. So you need to be taking websites which are older, which have lots of content published, so that you can filter out those keywords which are very uh, low in competition. So you can see the domain age is 12 years 18 days. So you need to pick these websites and plug this inside these keyword tools, and through this you will be definitely be generating more keyword ideas when it comes to, where are my uh, yes, you can see if I drag down, you will see lots of keyword ideas will be there. So you will see, you can see how many keywords, 4,73,935 keywords are there. And now what we can do is that we can click find low competition, or you can also find long tail as well. So you can also click this long tail organic keywords. So through this tool you will also be finding long tail organic keywords as well, which are low in competition, and it will be very easy to rank for them. So these are long tail keywords. So you will see, so you can pick these keywords, write some articles about it, and you should definitely rank for this. So I think this is a great uh, SEO tool, which is great for keyword research from competitor website. You should definitely use it. So you will see, I'm just using it. PHP remove first character from string. So this is a article here. You can also see the search volume 33%. Competition is 20. So great tool. You should definitely try out this tool. So definitely try out this tool, guys, for keyword research, for finding out long tail keywords which are low in competition, to increase traffic on your website. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.